Standing over 500 feet tall, the VAB represents the monumental scale of America's commitment to space.
Okay, guidance system checks out. Telemetry is nominal.
Copy that. Moving to secure the X-ray panels on the descent stage.
We're approaching maximum tensile strength now.
Reading steady at 400 psi, coefficient holding.
The fault is localized right here at the connector joint. We need to reinforce the insulation immediately.
The stress fracture occurred right here, near the variable joint. My telemetry shows a spike in atmospheric particles.
The gauge holds steady in the green zone. The reinforced material has passed the pressure test.
Rework this connection point here. We need absolute precision on the telemetry coupling.
The clock signal is completely unstable. Look at the rise time on channel 2. That's the source.
All parameters holding steady. We have a go.
Roger that, Gene. Looks like we finally did it.
Using the massive overhead cranes, the engineers carefully guided the landing struts toward the main module.
Verify the alignment on the primary antenna per the checklist.
Okay, getting the alignment tool now.
Board leader. As you can see on the schematic here, this relay controls the primary power bus. If we reroute it, we bypass.
Phase alignment is drifting.
I see it. Rerouting power to the main conduits. We are go for launch sequence.
I want a full diagnostic on sector gamma now. Someone get me the schematics for the cooling system.
Pressure spike is exceeding figure 9. We have to reroute.
Structural integrity failing. Reroute auxiliary power now.
Initiating sequence. Stand by for fluctuation.
The short is happening right here at the tertiary coupling. We bridge this, we stabilize the whole system.
The repair is stable.
Acknowledged. We are bringing the system back online.
We did it! It actually worked!
I knew we could.
Great job, everyone.
This small patch represented the hopes and dreams of millions back on Earth.